what happened? For example, this is a tank and we have a pump, okay, and pipe is running, right? So here you have a
Yes.
fire. So before
Right.
that, how this system works, weight system, I will give an example of a tire. A tire, your vehicle tire. Okay. So what we will do, we will put a pressure here, right? And fill this tire.
Yes.
Suddenly, some nail or whatever it will come, it will make a hole. Okay. So what will happen?
Yes. So the pressure get released and air will come out.
Air will come out, the pressure will reduce, right? And air will come out
Yes.
on that particular area only. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Same thing with firefighting system. So here fire happens. Okay. Once the fire happens, the temperature reaches 68 degrees Celsius, this sprinkler will burst and there is a pressure drop in the line. The pressure is set, for example, 8 bar. Then the pressure will reduce to 7 bar. Okay. And this pressure drop will be sensed by the pressure switch and it will give intimation to the panel and panel will give intimation to the pump and pump will start. So this is a sequence, complete sequence, step by step. Clear? Any doubt?
No. And sir, one clarification. So what is the system pressure I have to maintain in the branch pipe and all? So it depends on the sprinkler or depends on
System pressure. One is
the
system
floor
pressure.
area.
One is system pressure. We
Okay.
have to maintain 8 bar system pressure pump outlet. Accordingly, you have to see pressure, how much you are getting it inside. Okay. If pressure is more, you have to provide a orifice plate here. So based on the area and all those things, you have to calculate. Okay. In calculation, we will see that
So
topic.
for one sprinkler. Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
That's what. So how many sprinkler? How many water
That
quantity?
is the
I mean
hydraulic.
the K factor.
That
Okay.
hydraulic calculation, we have to do that.
So based on that, that line pressure, how much it has to be. So that we will be keeping in that pressure.
Correct. Next is dry one. See, what all we discuss in the weight system, everything is same. Everything is same. Only difference is here we are not putting any water. And in weight system, we will use water. And where temperature is more than 0 degrees Celsius.